India and the European Union are about to shake up global trade, and this is not just another free trade agreement headline. This deal is opening doors across services, technology, manufacturing, electronics, and even artisan clusters. From software engineers to factory floors, from chip labs to Kolhapuri workshops, the impact could be massive. Let's break down how the India-EU FTA is quietly rewriting India's global economic playbook. Hi, I'm Richa Dwivedi for New India Junction. India is gearing up for a major export push into Europe, and leather is leading the charge. After the India-EU free trade agreement, Indian leather, footwear, and handcrafted products will get zero duty access to the 27-nation European Union market. Right now, Indian leather exports face import duties of up to 9% in Europe, making them less competitive than rivals like Vietnam and Bangladesh. Remove that barrier and exports expect shipments to multiply sharply in the coming years. India already produces nearly 13% of the world's leather, ranks among the top 5 footwear producers, and supports over 4.4 million jobs across MSMEs and artisan clusters. So when global luxury brands put Kolhapuris on the runway, India is now putting Kolhapuris directly into European shopping carts. From manufacturing hubs in Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh to artisan clusters in Rajasthan, West Bengal, Maharashtra, and Jammu and Kashmir, this deal means faster market access, higher demand, and stronger incomes of manufacturers and artisans in India. So while leather, footwear, and handcrafted exports are getting zero duty entry into Europe, this trade deal is not stopping at traditional sectors. The real momentum is now shifting towards high-value manufacturing, especially electronics. And that's where the next big export push comes in. India is opening the door to Europe's $750 billion electronics market, giving Indian manufacturers direct export momentum under the India-EU FTA. Until now, tariffs and compliance costs, approximately up to 14%, made Indian electronics less competitive against China and Vietnam, slowing scale and price advantage in European markets. With trade barriers easing, India's manufacturers expect faster orders, larger volumes, and stronger long-term contracts. India already produces over $100 billion worth of electronics annually and is among the world's fastest-growing smartphone manufacturing hubs. The production has grown nearly 500% in the last decade, with impetus provided under Make in India initiative. From Noida and Chennai to Bengaluru and Hyderabad, Indian factories are now positioned to plug directly into Europe's high-value electronics supply chain. Now here's where things get even more strategic. It's not just about exporting phones and gadgets. It is now about building future industries. The India-EU FTA is also opening doors for deeper partnerships in AI, green technology, and semiconductor manufacturing. India is teaming up with the European Union on AI, clean tech, and semiconductors, turning the India-EU free trade agreement into a big tech opportunity. The deal is expected to bring more European investment into Indian startups, research labs, and high-tech factories as rules become simpler and partnerships become easier. The big win, India now aligns with the EU's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, helping Indian exports stay competitive as Europe tightens green rules. Stronger IP protection, including safety for traditional knowledge, builds trust for investors while protecting Indian innovation. In semiconductors, easier access to European machines and parts reduces setup costs, helping India scale chip manufacturing faster. As the global economy shifts towards green and digital, India is building future-ready industries and global tech partnerships. So while factories scale up and tech ecosystems grow, there's another big winner in this deal: Indian talent. Because alongside goods and technology, the agreement is also reshaping how Indian professionals, students, and service providers access Europe's job market. India is all set to unlock Europe's massive services market across IT, finance, education, tourism, construction, and more. Powered by Skill India, Digital India, and Startup India, Indian talent is no longer local. It is now going global. The India-EU Free Trade Agreement will open access to 144 European Union service sectors, creating direct pathways into high-value international jobs. Visas are set to become smoother. mobility faster, and skilled plus semi-skilled workers better positioned to move where opportunities rise. Students stand to benefit too. Post-study work and business travel are likely to become simpler, turning degrees into global career momentum. Under the India-EU Pact, Indian graduates in Europe are expected to get a 9 to 12-month window to secure jobs instead of rushing back. More Indian minds inside Europe could mean stronger networks, deeper skills, and higher services exports flowing back home. If you found this video insightful, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Richa Divedi signing off.